Say hello to the future of compact SUVs. The 2026 Honda CR-V is here, and it's sharper, smarter, and more stylish than ever. From a bold new design to enhanced technology and efficiency, Honda is stepping into the next generation with confidence. Let's take a closer look and dive into everything you need to know about the upgraded CR-V. Starting at the front, the 2026 CR-V is a head-turner. The redesigned grille is sleek and wide, flanked by sharp LED headlights that now extend more aggressively into the fenders. The daytime running lights are sleeker, more futuristic, giving it a premium look that was previously reserved for luxury SUVs. Down below, a more sculpted bumper with prominent black cladding and silver accents reinforces its sporty character. From the side, it's all about flow and proportion. The 2026 CR-V maintains its balanced SUV stance, but introduces a sleeker roofline and a more aerodynamic silhouette. The wheel arches are bolder, with large turbine-style wheels that add to the luxurious and athletic look. Black trim around the windows and lower body cladding contrasts with a crisp white paint, hinting at off-road readiness while keeping it cool in the city. Now to the rear, this is where Honda really shows off its design prowess. A wide LED taillight bar takes center stage, connecting two boldly redesigned taillights that now taper inward for a futuristic look. The Honda badge glows subtly, lending a high-tech aesthetic. The lower rear bumper features a two-tone finish, with sporty diffuser styling and chrome accents, creating a premium yet aggressive rear stance. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V is expected to have two powertrain options. The base model will likely stick with a proven 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, making around 190 horsepower, paired with a CVT for smooth, efficient daily driving. The real news, however, is a refined hybrid system, now more powerful and sophisticated, combining a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors, producing around 204 horsepower. This setup not only improves fuel economy, but also increases low-end torque for better response. Step inside, and the 2026 CR-V greets you with a sleek, minimalist interior. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, paired with a larger 11-inch touchscreen, dominates the dashboard. The interface is clean and intuitive, now supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting enhance the cabin, while rear passengers enjoy more legroom thanks to a longer wheelbase. Honda's legendary practicality remains, with class-leading cargo space and clever storage solutions throughout. Safety is another big focus. The 2026 CR-V comes with the latest Honda Sensing 360 suite, now with adaptive navigation, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even predictive collision warning using AI-driven sensors. Parking is easier than ever with a 360-degree camera and self-parking assist on higher trims. So whether you're cruising around town or taking a road trip with the family, the 2026 Honda CR-V brings a new, modern take on the SUV that has made Honda a leader in its segment. Smarter, sleeker, and more capable. The future of driving? Maybe this is it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest automotive reveals. What do you think of the new CR-V? Let us know in the comments below.